So guys, we're playing Roblox now and we're playing Dress to Impress. Alam nyo guys, yung pinaka gusto ko na laro is Dress to Impress. Then, yung team is Baggy. Tapos, hindi ko alam pala na nagsisimula na. Ito na guys, we're playing. Ay, putak. Please. Here we go! Anong team? Wala pang oras, pero may nagka-costume na. Baggy pala yun. The time is... Oh my gosh. Wala pa talaga. Come!